Hey you guys, it's Miss Lucy, and currently I'm on a nature walk. So I'm going to show you guys what I see along the way. And I see a frog. Let's look down here to see if we see any turtles or frogs. Look at the pretty stream, the rocks. So pretty. Look how pretty the stream looks, guys. Look at the rocks. I'm standing on a big rock. Look at the trees. The pretty green trees. And I hear birds too. You hear them? The birds are chirping. Look at the doggy, guys. Wow. I see a bird, butterflies, and another bird. A bike. People riding on a bike. I see a stop sign. It says stop, look, listen. A bridge. I'm walking on the rocks. I'm walking on the rocks. Another bridge on top of the stream. Pretty green trees.